We're even now. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me again. Don't, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Yo, that's cheating. That is cheating. Don't shoot it here.
You shot me.
Don't shoot it here, bro. Ah, yo. Goofy. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be revealing my new drift car. I mentioned in a video before that I would. Yes, it's a Toyota. Unfortunately, it's not a chaser. But the engine though, I got something for you. I mentioned in the video before that I will no longer be drifting all Tesla because I want to make it a show/street car. I don't want to beat on it no more because it's a beautiful car and it's kind of slow. So I'm still waiting for the body kit to be made. They're trying to make sure it fits like OEM crash bars or whatnot. Once that's out the way, they'll get them ready for pre-order and I will buy mine. I already got new wheels. I might give you guys a sneak peek. I don't know yet. I kind of want this to be just a drift car video. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll save for next video. Who knows? We'll see. Ignore my gaming chair. This is my gaming chair from the outside world. I'm not gonna buy a gaming chair, bro. I got too much money to dump into these cars, which is enough already. So let's get to it. New drift car B-roll. Let's go. So for those of you who don't know what this is a Toyota Cressida. It's a 1991 MX-83, whatever you want to call it. All right, so before I even begin to explain this, this steering wheel and this seat used to belong to my homie Kyle, better known as Hot Boy Classics, now goes as Strats. It used to be in his IS300. He gave it away, and funny enough, my friend Joey here won it.
Yeah, you can see all the cars.
Shit boxes, nice cars, all of them.
No, he's not alone.
Hey, I'm going to say shit boxes and then nice cars. All the heaters too.
And he wanted to go all black interior, so I got a steering wheel. He gave this seat to my boy Trevor, then I got this from Trevor. I just mounted it on yesterday. It has the excessive brackets, stupid cheap, 125, and I really like them. All right, let's take you guys to the back. You already know. Over here we got the half cage. I'm really excited about this because, you know, it's a drift car. Can't go wrong with having a cage in your car. It's welded on. It's not bolted on. Whoever did a phenomenal job. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and start this car so I can get to the engine. It's gonna be hard to open that with one hand. Let's see if I can. Oh, I did it. Let's go. This car idles really quiet. I love it. But once it gets going, it breaks necks.
No fish.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard. This is a garage.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'm about to show you some clips of it real quick. Gonna go ahead and turn this thing off. I don't think I got gas like that. Yeah, dude, I got a little bit. This car came with an Amazon tablet, which is actually connected to my ECU. This basically reads my AFRs, my RPMs, which I eventually want to move here because I think it's unsafe, you know, looking down while I'm drifting. There you go. You can see my RPMs, my AFRs, battery voltage, and stuff like that. But here's my boost gauge. I'm running 10 psi, and this is my temperature gauge. I'm gonna make it look pretty later down the road, but for now this will do. Had to open the hood to show you guys one more thing on why I love the car. It came with brand new BC coilovers. You can't go wrong with that. So BC coilovers, the 1J cage, I got it for a great deal. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about the new drift build. Put it in the comments below. Get it through, like this, get through inside the hole. Yep, and then clip it. Now clip it all the way though. Look, it's gotta go like that. Yep, and then you see this little black spot? Make sure that's on there. Yep. No, move that, yeah. Now put that black spot on there. Yeah, now put it over here.
It's got my heart beating hard. Down the road we go, come on. Oh